Hi, Radhika ji. Hello. Thank you, Kashish. Okay, let's begin then. Hi everyone. Thank you so much for joining in. Myself Aarti Chauhan, and we are at Studio Aarti Chauhan, which is at Tingre Nagar, Pune. So today we are going live to show you all our latest collection in kurtis, dresses, saris, blouses, and designer dupattas. We have a lot of stuff. We are designer, and we design our outfits, and we make at our own workshop. So you'll see all the exclusive designs, and we have some beautiful handloom and some fancy saris. So I hope you will enjoy this session. And I think I'll start. Hi Priya. So I think we should start with blouses. We have made recently many blouses designs, and people are just loving them. So I would like to start with blouses, and then saris, then dresses, kurtis, and all. So we'll see what all we can cover in 30 minutes. So let's begin. Okay, so I would like to show you some blouses first. Okay, so this is like our most loved blouse design recently from our latest collection. It is pure Ajrak cotton fabric. It is hand block printed, and the natural dyes are used. So this is very skin friendly and very stylish blouse design. We made kind of almost 3 batches in the same design, same color, and we are left with like 2 or 3 pieces in this. So if you like, okay, so what you can do, I have mentioned this my WhatsApp number in the description. I'll see here 7757 888 148. So you can take a screenshot and share any of the design which you like to order. Okay, so the next design is, it's a Malmal cotton. It's a Malmal cotton blouse, boat neck blouse with this beautiful portly detailing we have given on the waist and on the sleeves. These are the blouses which will go with almost all your cotton handloom saris. Hi Shamal. This is again a beautiful Ajrak pattern. It's again a V-neck and this portly design. Here we have given this beautiful frills on the sleeves. The next is Ikkat pattern. It is red Ikkat fabric, and this is the back design we have given. So wooden buttons. Again another color in Ikkat. It's a bit long. So किसी को long अगर चाहिए तो you can go for this design. These comes with pads, and this is the back design we have given. अच्छा हाँ श्रुति, okay sorry. हाँ, so the cotton blouses are almost for like 1,000 to 1,250. This is again a very smart blouse. You can wear it as a top as well. It's a very beautiful cotton Ikkat blouse. The price of this is 1375. It's a very smart blouse. You will get green color as well in the same design. It is Malmal cotton, and the price is 1,050. This is again a beautiful design. Ajrak print. This is the blouse. It's a sample piece I am left with, but you will get the product with lining, huh? So the price is 1,250. Hi, thank you. This is one again very beautiful and very much loved design. So this is silk blouse with this beautiful organza sleeves. So this is pure organza fabric we have added here. It's again a very smart design. The price is 1,550. This we have made these blouses around 20-25 pieces in last week. It's a cotton. I'll show you the detailing. So it's a cotton fabric with this beautiful net frills with this gota detailing. Okay, and this is the bag. It is for 1550. So now we'll come to some silk. So जो अभी देखे those were all designer blouses, little Indo-Western like fusion designs. Now we'll show you some traditional simple silk designs. It's a silver blouse, brocade blouse. The price of this is 1275. Again a beautiful golden blouse with this intricate embroidery. You can see the quality of the stitching of the embroidery. You can see how the lining has been used. So you'll get colors in this pattern, sleeveless. In the same this fabric we have made another design with sleeves as well, and we have colors in both. The price is 1775. It is again, I'll show you some golden, some black, some other colors. It's again a very smart blouse. This is the detailing. So this is the back design. So we have the same in black also, I guess, in stock. It is 1480. So these are the traditional simple golden blouse. You can carry it with many other saris. So you'll get this. You will get sizes in different designs. ये जो design है वो change हो जाएगा, and some shade of the golden may change. So you can contact me if you are looking for such blouses. 975. So these blouses we have in 2-3 category, like 800 to 1200-1300 तक है ये सब. These are very heavily embroidered pure silk blouses, raw silk. It is raw silk. You can see the quality of embroidery. It is around 1900. We'll get colors as well. It's only for 1150. It's a beautiful black, jet black color is there, and it's embroidery. The sleeves, and this is the look. Thank you, Kashish. So I'll show you some like unique pieces in black now. So this is back. You can carry this one in any kind of party or function. So this design is for 1475. Again, it's a very smart piece. It's a sleeveless sequin blouse in black. This is the back. It is for 1460. Thank you, Shruti. This is again very versatile piece. This will go with many of your silk sarees, or maybe plain. You can carry plain as well. So you'll get sizes in this as well. The price is 1275. Hi Diksha. So these are again traditional blouses. You can carry with all your silk pattern sarees. The price is 850. You'll get colors in this. You get this knot and this kind of hangings. You will get these kind of different colors and different designs. brocade we have different categories. So they are priced according to the quality and material. So this is one design. This is again very beautiful, this is pure Banarsi. This one is pure Banarsi. You can see the shine and the weaving done in the fabric. This is back. You will get colors in this as well. Okay, so I think okay, so we have some more pieces. This is the most favorite design for all of us. So you can see it fits really well and looks very smart. This is back. So in this also you'll get colors and sizes. We can also customize a little bit if you want. Okay, so I think we are done with the blouses. We have like huge variety in blouses. I cannot show you each and every design. So if you are interested in blouse, you can share your sari or lehenga picture and I'll suggest which one will go best with your combination. Okay, so we'll start with saris now. This is our most loved collection. Recently we are almost sold out in this collection. I have only 2 pieces left. Next हम लोग जब बनाएंगे तो then I'll inform. बस hi Abha, thank you. We are coming on that also. The sari which I am wearing. Okay, we are launching that on this platform today. So this is chikankari sari. हमने बहुत सारे like people are just loving this collection. If you can see. So we have added this beautiful crochet. We have get them made. We have designed the motif. We have get them made and we have added this beautiful crochet lace and this beautiful frills. And we have show me that blouse. So this is one of our like very much loved collection recently in chikankari. So we have paired this saris, frill saris with this beautiful blouse. So we have made recently many blouses and we have sold many saris. So this is the combination. And this will go with this frill. So we have left with this color in sari until we make the new. We have left with this green shade and one more in peach. Okay, I'll show you some more designs in chikankari. Okay, so the chikankari, okay, the previous sari which I have shown you, the frill one is for 2775 and the blouse, the one I had shown you, that is for 1550. If you want to add some more design into that, then like 100-200 rupees will increased. Is it the lime green or yellow? It is green, dear. Shruti, it is green. You are talking about my sari or the chicken one? Okay, so I'll show you some more designs in chikankari. So the chikankari sarees price range start from 2175 to 3500 only. These are very reasonably priced. So this is the sari. Okay, I'm not going to show you all chikankari sarees. I'll just show you the quality. See, this is the quality. Thank you, Kanchanji. The chikankari is the green shade. Okay, so this one is for 2175. It comes with the blouse piece as well, so you can wear any contrast color or you can wear this kind of ajrak which I'm wearing. So this will go with this kind of blouses as well. You can wear white. You can get the same blouse stitched. You will get blouse along with this sari as well. So this is the blouse piece. So you'll get some work on sleeves. Okay, so this is for 2175. This is very beautiful festive wear color. It's with very beautiful heavy border. So this is the work. and this is the pallu. The entire pallu is heavily embroidered. We all know that chikankari is hand embroidery, and it takes a lot, so many days, like almost a month. If it is heavily embroidered, one artist have to spend entire month to complete the sari. Our boutique is at Tingre Nagar. If you don't know the area, it is very much nearby airport. So you can contact me for detailed address, and I have also mentioned the studio address in this description of this live session. So you'll get there as well. So this is for 3500. All saris have blouse pieces. So we have two designs available in white. So okay, I'll just make a single. So very classy, very beautiful sari. See, this is the work. So this is for 2175. Okay, so we have more chikankari saris, as you can see here, but I'm not going to show all. I have pictures, so you can WhatsApp me. I'll share some pictures of them. So now let's come to modal saris. So again, this is very beautiful sari. इसका जो fall है, if you have not seen this sari, you just come and see once. Don't buy. Just see the fabric and fall once. So this is pure modal silk and ajrak print has done on it. This is priced at 4550, and you will get this kind of printed blouse with this sari. So we have indigos, and see, ajrak have their own very typical shades only. So we don't get all shades in ajrak, which is hand block printed. So we have these maroons, olive greens, indigo, these kind of shades. One variety in modal I would like to show you is this beautiful sari, indigo sari with this Banarasi pallu. Hi Shruti, you can visit once and check out the collection. See, these are very classy sari, and this kind of very beautiful detailing they have given with the sari. So these are thread tassels. This is how it looks. These are very beautiful prints, and this is the body. So this is priced at 4750. So one more variety we have. This is in mushroom silk. It has very unique grace, you can see, and this is shibori, or it is hand tie and dye technique shibori. And the shibori is done on this beautiful blue color. Peach color is given on the shibori. So this is the pallu, and it is called lagdi pallu. So the jari detailing is called lagdi pallu. So it is mushroom sari with shibori print and lagdi pallu. It is priced at 6500. We have actually very huge variety in this modal, mushroom and all. Shruti, thank you. So this is just, we have not launched this design yet, but I would like to show you here. So this is combination of the fabric is modal. It is combination of bandhej, which is again hand tie and dye technique, and it is hand block printed. The print is ajrak. So again, it's a very classy, you can wear it in wedding or any kind of traditional function as well. So this is the combination, red with this beautiful ajrak print, as you can see. So the entire sari is red. See, the entire sari is beautiful red. And blouse is ajrak. So here is the pallu and this is the blouse. You can imagine the combination. You are wearing this kind of blouse and you are wearing this sari. So it will look like this. It's very smart. So we have three colors in this too. One is this red, this green, and it's in violet. So all have ajrak pallu and blouse, and this is the body. Okay, so let's come to the collection which I am wearing. This is Kota Doria sari. So these are it's very lightweight sari and it is hand block printed. It's very easy to carry, and we have made it interesting by adding these beautiful this tassels, and we have added one. We are giving one more blouse complimentary, so you'll get blouse with the sari as well, and we are going to give you one more complimentary blouse piece. So I'll show you some of the pieces. Thank you. Okay, so let's say so you can see that just the combination. So this is beautiful green shade. It's kind of it's teal green shade with this beautiful yellow border, and the pallu. You'll get a tinge of blue here, which looks very smart with this green and black and all other shades. Okay, and this is the blouse piece which you get along with the sari, and this blouse piece we are giving complimentary. Okay, the Kota Doria is for 2500, and we have like more prints in this. I'll show you one more print here. Okay, so this is beautiful red color. This is red, and these are the prints: yellow, black, green. This is pallu, and this is the blouse piece you get along with the sari, and this is the blouse we are giving complimentary. So you can wear, you can get any blouse stitched, or you can get both stitched. Okay, so I'm not showing more this Kota Doria sari. We are yet to launch it, but I can show you pictures. If you are interested, let me know. Now I will show you some in Chanderi. What is the time? Okay, so I'll show you one or two pieces in this. So this is the sari. Again in ajrak print. This is the pallu, and it's a grey and red combination, very beautiful. Yeah, so this is priced at 3250, and we have like few prints remaining with us, so you can WhatsApp me for pictures. This is the sari. So these are the prints. She has already opened, so I'll show you. So this is the body, and this is the beautiful pallu. This is very nice ink blue combination with orangish rust kind of a red. This is again another print. I'll share all the open pictures. Okay, so I'll show you one more. See, I'm launching these pieces here. We have not got the photo shoot done. So this is, you can imagine, it is speciality of Kolkata, and it is Khesh sari. I wanted to tell you a little story on Khesh, but now we are running out of time, I think. Kashish, थोड़ा और time मिल सकता है क्या? Okay, So we have got these sarees. So more detail you can come on our page and like. We share all the live videos or we record the videos and then share, so that you can make out the quality. You can see the detailing we have given on the sarees, on the dresses. So you can follow us on Instagram and Facebook. I have to show you some more dresses as well. So this is the saree. We have colors in this. So please contact me. Shruti, what are you asking? Thank you. Okay, so this is Kesh sari. So I'm not opening some saris now. We are running out of time. I think I have 2-3 minutes left. So this is again a patola print sari. It's in silk, very soft. Comes with the zari border. You can ask me for colors. This is priced at 2175. This is Kota silk sari. Oh, thank you, Kashish. I have to show some dresses because. So this is Kota silk saris. Comes with this beautiful resham. It is satin border and this detailing is given. Thank you, Kashish. Thank you so much, everyone, for liking our collection. So I'll show you this one for you. This is so gorgeous. This is blouse. And this one is pallu. So these are all festive wear, wedding wear. We have colors in this. It is pallu. See the how broad the border is given. So you'll get this kind of borders, and this is the pallu, and this is the blouse piece. Okay. So we have colors and shades in this. So please contact me for more. Okay, now I'll quickly show you some dupattas. This is Bandhani Dola silk. You can see how rich it looks. This is the pallu. So very graceful. If you have any kind of plain suit, and if you don't want to spend more on this Diwali and you just want to add some new stuff in your wardrobe, just don't spend on the entire dress. I'm just giving you some tips. So yeah, you can purchase this kind of a dupatta, and make your Diwali look very unique with your existing dress, existing kurti. So this is how it looks. Actually, this collection is under dyeing process, so I don't have more pieces. I have only one piece. The sample I have got, and I have just loved them, and I have ordered some more shades. So this you'll not get, like I don't have more shades right now. So this you'll get later, like almost after 15-20 days. This again a Bandhani pure Georgette Banarsi dupatta. You can see how beautiful detailing is. So you'll get this golden and silver, both shades. I have one red color in this. This is also a very beautiful color. This is priced at 1575. Some dupattas I'll show you in this modal lagdi pallu. You can see the richness of the fabric, of the print. See. So we have more prints in Ajrak. The same on the same fabric, it is modal silk. You will get some shibori combination as well. So these are Banarsi. We have like huge collection of Banarsi as well. So this is the dupatta. If you don't want to wear sari, you can wear this dupatta with any of your suit. It will look very rich. This again most loved collection. It's a patola print and very very reasonably priced. The price is only 875. This is the pallu. So we have some shades in this as well. Sorry. Okay, so I'll show you some of the dresses. So this is beautiful cotton silk dress with this gota detailing. You'll get pants with this. We have made net dupattas with this, which I am not able to show you right now, but you will get dupatta as well if you wish. So these are priced at 1885. So we have this range is in plain cotton silk with some gota detailing. So this is also very beautiful shade, and the combination, you can see how beautiful it looks. We have given this beautiful dupatta, this gota work dupatta with this bottle green dress, and the interesting is its bottom. So you will get this kind of bottom line. We have given beautiful scallops with this, so it looks very smart, very sober and smart. And this dupatta. If you don't want to buy, you can dupatta, you can buy only top and bottom as well. We can also give only dupatta if you want. So this is another design. We have given this noodle strap with gota. You will get this gota on the sides. This is a very classy and very sober designs. You will get again pants with this. We have made different sizes, so you can inquire about your size. This is again very beautiful red color dress, perfect for Karwa Chauth. You can see the detailing we have given. These are all pin tucks, and we have given this beautiful gota here. You will get the same gota here as well. And again it has pants. This is the dupatta we have paired with. It's Katha work Chanderi dupatta. The same price 1885 for top and bottom. Dupatta price will be extra. Okay, one more beautiful piece. This is very beautiful. So this is the top. It is given this beautiful tassels with thread. It's Angarkha style. This is the top, and we have given this beautiful sharara. So this is sharara pants with the same gota work. Very elegant, very beautiful design. If you don't want to wear, very loud outfit or like colorful outfit, you can go for this kind of dress. Looks very elegant. I'll show you some of the cotton designs as well. So these are pure cotton hand block print. We have given again this, we have made it a bit festive. We have added this detail on neck, and on the sleeve is very beautiful. So it's a very comfortable festive wear. You can wear your cotton kurta. So this is priced at 1050. These are all priced at 1885, top and bottom set. And these are some kalamkari designs, like you can wear it in your office, you can wear it home. This is kurta. It's pure cotton kalamkari kurta. This is very, very sober, particularly made for office going people. It's a simple cotton kurta with this bottom. So this one is for 950 and this is for 1500. It's again very interesting design. It's a neckline. It's a sleeve. It has full flare. It's a cotton festive wear, you can say. The price is 1775. So we have actually huge collection in kurtis and office wear, lounge wear. We are going to launch next weekend. We are going to launch our kaftan collection. So stay tuned. Like our Facebook page. Follow us on Instagram. So these are short kurtis. This is another color. So we have actually huge collection. I cannot show you the entire collection here. but you must have got some idea about our work and our collection. So also we can customize outfits according to your taste. We make bridal, non-bridal lehengas as well. We make designer blouses, saris. So if you have any kind of requirement, you can contact us. And I think I should end this session. So thank you so much everyone for joining in, and also the people who are going to watch it later. Thank you so much. You can contact me again. I'll say my number, which is 7757 888 148. Thank you, Poonam. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you, Kashish, for giving us opportunity to showcase our collection in this group. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.